and good day to all of you. This is Cecilia M Esguerra from grade 11, section Exemplar. Today, we're going to talk and discuss about the real-life situation or problem that can be solved by statistics.
Our objectives are: number 1, explain the basic concepts, uses, and importance of statistics. Number 2, pose a real-life situation, problem that can be solved by statistics. First is, what is statistics? Math is a bigger part of our lives, especially statistics. Statistics is a branch of mathematics which we use to analyze what is happening in the world around us. A statistic is the collection of data and its representation. A statistic compares data through mean, median, and mode and other tools we use in interpreting data. We all have heard that we live in the information age where we deal about the world around us. Most of the information is determined mathematically using statistics. And what is the important role of statistics in our daily life? So, statistics plays an important role in our everyday lives. It is useful in our daily life undertakings such as schools, office, hospital, banks, and many other places. And also, a statistic can be applied in research, business, industry, in all sciences. That is why it is such important and useful in our daily lives.
Based on the discussion we presented, you gain a knowledge on what is statistics and why statistics plays an important role in our daily lives, or why is it very important to us. And now we're going to show a real-life situation or problem, and later on we're going to apply statistics to solve the problem we presented.
Hello, class. Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. When we are going to take a final examination?
Yes, ma'am, when?
I have a suggestion, ma'am. Why don't we study in advance with our classmates?
Yes, ma'am. Why not?
Oh, okay, that is a good idea. Since the final examination for this school year 2024 to 2025 is fast approaching, I am allowing you all to do autodidactism or self-study for our subject mathematics.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Based on the scenario presented, we are going to shift it into world problem. With 95% confidence level, the mean study time of the students of Amanda A. Fabio Memorial National High School for the subject of mathematics of the selected of 25 grade 11 learners of section Gratefulness is 3.2 hours with a standard deviation of 1.5 with a margin of error of 0.41 or 41%. To solve this, what is the range of time they have spent to study in advance for final examination for the subject mathematics?
First, we're going to identify the given in the problem, wherein the confidence level is 95%. The standard deviation is 1.5. The sample mean is 3.2 hours and the margin of error is 0.41 or 41%. To solve this, we're going to use the identifying the length of a confidence interval where sample mean is minus 2 margin of error lies between sample mean plus margin of error is our formula. Now that we already know the given in the formula we are going to use, let's now proceed to answer the following questions provided. A. What is the best point estimate? The answer is 3.2 hours. To find the best point estimate, we're just going to find the sample mean on the problem presented, which is 3.2 hours. B. What is the margin of error? The answer is 0.41 or 41%. Just like the sample mean, we're just going to find the margin of error on the problem, which is 0.41 or 41%. But if you're wondering how do we get the 41% of 0.41, just simply multiply the 0.41 to 100 to get the 41%.
C. What is the lower confidence limit? The answer is 2.79. To get the lower confidence limit, we'll just have to subtract the sample mean and the margin of error. So, the sample mean 3.2 minus the margin of error of 0.41. That will result to 2.79, and that is the lower confidence limit.
D. What is the upper confidence limit? The answer is 3.61. Just like the lower confidence limit, but this time, we are adding the sample mean plus margin of error. That will result to sample mean 3.2 plus the margin of error 0.41, so that we will get the 3.61, and that is our upper confidence limit. E. What is the length of interval? The answer is 0.82. To solve this, simply subtract the upper confidence limit to lower confidence limit. So, the upper confidence limit 3.61 is minus 2 the lower confidence limit of 2.79 to get the answer of 0.82, and that is our length of interval. F. What are the confidence interval estimate? The answer is 2.79 lies between 3.61 or parenthesis 2.79, 3.61 close parenthesis. To get the confidence interval, we're going to use the formula of identifying the length of a confidence interval of sample mean minus margin of error lies between sample mean plus margin of error, and simply substitute it by using the formula I said earlier. So the sample mean minus margin of error is 2.79, and that is our lower confidence limit lies between the upper confidence limit of a sample mean plus margin of error of 3.61, and that is our upper confidence limit. And tada! That is our confidence interval estimate. Or it can be also parenthesis 2.79, 3.61 close parenthesis. But take note on this one. If you're using this to identify confidence interval estimate, you're just going to put first the lower confidence limit, and upper confidence limit. G. What is your conclusion based on the confidence interval estimate? Ito yung anong masasabi mo base sa confidence interval estimate na sinolve natin. Thus, we can say with 95% confidence level that the study time of the students of Amando A. Fabio Memorial National High School of Grade 11 learners of Section Gratefulness for the subject of mathematics is in between 2.79 hours to 3.61 hours.
Based on the quote by Yu Payne, she said that statistics are the key to unlocking better problem-solving skills. The more you know, the more you can do. Using a statistic to improve problem-solving skills.
And that's it! Just simple as that, we have managed to solve the problem by using the statistics.
And I hope you learned something about us based on our discussion we presented. That's all. Bye!